Hi everybody, it's a girl Preshfit, and for today I'm going to be showing how to do the dumbbell floor flies. Okay, so all you need is a pair of dumbbells, comfortable weights that you can carry. This exercise actually works on your chest muscles, works quite more on the lower part of your chest. When you're holding the dumbbells, try not to keep it just straight across you, above you. Rather, try to have a slight, bring your hands slightly lower towards the lower part of your chest. Okay, so I have my weights here. Alright, and this is our starting position. So, two things. Don't keep your hand just right over you. Bring it slightly away towards your lower chest, right? From here, don't lock your elbows in here when you're going down. There has to be a slight bend to the elbow. If not, when you're coming down with the locked hand, by the time you get this way, you're going to be transferring all that pressure to your elbow. So you need to have a slight bend when you start coming down, slight bend on the elbow, and you come all the way down here. You will, trust me, you're going to feel that, and then you take it back up. All right, so with that being said, when you're actually going down, you inhale, and when you're coming up, you exhale. So now we are going down, we inhale. So check, hands, right? And then we go inhaling, exhaling, come back up. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Just give it a slight pause when you get down. You feel the muscles of the chest tighten and all that, and that you know it's working. So again, remember your hand is not on a straight 90, it's slightly bent. Okay, leaning towards your lower chest. Elbows are not locked when you're going down. Inhale when you're going down, exhale when you're coming up, and that's it. And that's how to do the dumbbell floor fly. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give the thumbs up, the share, and the subscribe. Thank you.